Guys, welcome to Machine and GM Zone. Here I brought to you Core Ignition Drop. Core Ignition Drop might be new to many of us, and it might not be new to many of us also. Some Kotoshi are kind of being a real Kotoshi in the Corda ecosystem, but they are not really engaging the Core Ignition Drop, which is not right or like not cool. So if I were you, I'll move straight right now to start engaging the Core Ignition Drop. So please and please try as much as possible to engage. And if you are new to Core Ignition Drop, please kindly engage yourself, because why am I doing this video is for those people that are not yet aware of this Core Ignition Drop. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. So don't just miss out, don't just settle down. Try and watch this video till next, so you'll be able to understand the Core Ignition Drop. So right now, if I were you, I will use the link below this video and register immediately. So why Core Ignition Drop is a program designed to actually bring total value, logged asset, and those transactions between protocols, which incentivize on-chain activities by exploring the apps by swapping, lending, borrowing, and minting, and trying out new apps. And users are being rewarded for actively performing these tasks, and reward are distributed to in Stcore. I mean the liquid staking token on Core, that is Stcore, that you will be rewarded up. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, bro? What are you waiting for? Just use the link below this video and register now, because a lot of people have received a lot of reward this very day, which is July 4th. So you don't have to just sit down and miss out on this very tangible opportunity. So one thing you need to understand is that season 3 of the Core Ignition program requires funds compared to the other past season 1 and 2. If you are likely to be aware of this Core Ignition, you will understand what I'm trying to say. But to those of us that are new, fine, just know that it requires funds. But I must say, not a financial advice, investment at owner's risk. But mind you, you won't have any regrets investing your time, fund, and consistency on this season 3, about to round up soon by September 12th. Now take your time to register and engage. So after you've registered, don't just register and start engaging. If you can watch this video, and then I'll be able to tell you, to show you the Core Ignition webpage. Use the link below this video after you registered, and I'm going to show you how the webpage was, the features, what we need to understand, how we have to go about it, everything. So I'm going to do that right now. Thank you. So guys, this is the webpage of the Core Ignition program, and this is how you're going to show to you. So what you have to do here is very simple and easy. So it's showing us select country and next. So you tap select, then you tap your country. I'm from Nigeria, so that's that, and I click on next. So that's that. So after clicking on this, I can either confirm my X account, but it is optional, it's your choice. You can either engage it or not. So the name I want this Core Ignition to show in my dashboard, I can just put any name. I would like maybe Gary Zoo. I can put Gary Zoo. So all you just have to do next now is just to agree to this terms and conditions. You can read them later on when you are free. So you connect your wallets. So before we start moving on, the wallet I'm using is what? Rabby wallet. So you also use your Rabby wallet. So I'm going to tap Rabby wallet because the wallet I'm using currently. So that's just how it's going to be, and that is, it's so easy. So we have it, Gary Zoo 001. That's the name I gave to this very dashboard. So it's fresh and it's new, and this is how it's going to show to you. You have just 0 sparks. You have just what? 0 sparks. So the essence of using this Core Ignition, you say, is to actively engage this protocol, which is the Core Ignition, by engaging the apps on the Core Ignition, while you are being rewarded of sparks, and these sparks are being converted to what? Stcore. So what do? This is our dashboard. This is the future for dashboard. So the next one follows is bridge. That's bridge. This is the explore the apps. The essence of what you have to engage in to be earning your spark. This is it. Explore the apps. All you just have to do is explore the apps on the core network. That is just all you have to come and do on this coordination program. So the next one is team. Then the next one after team should be leaderboard. That's leaderboard. Then the next one is activity spark. So that's it. So what do we need most in this very time is our what? Explore the apps. While engaging this project apps, before engaging this project apps, sometimes maybe if you are kind of grown your account and you want to like share the link to your friends to also engage in this coin deletion, so you come to team here. But for to be able to use this team, there's an amount of money you need to bridge, which is what, $50. You can come to team and you'll be able to read it throughout. They said it here, say bridge 50 USDT worth of qualified asset to call chain to generate your permanent invite link. In addition, you can earn spark by either keeping this asset on your ignition wallet or move it to ignition DApps balance through interaction with core ecosystem. So once you have done being able to do this, bridge an amount of money of USDT worth of qualified assets to call chain to generate your what, permanent link. So all you are just going to do is just for you to bridge an amount of 50 USDT in order to get what, your event link. So that's just all you need to do. Just bridge an amount of 50 USDT. So that is that for you to generate what, your referral link. So that's for team. Then after you've done that, you can then go to explore the app. So maybe if in case you don't want to really invite anybody, can you then maybe, but for me it's much okay for you to do that. So we have colors, we have Colend, we have Glyphs, we have Glyph version 4, version 2, we have BitFlux, we have 14G, we have Social Swap, we have Nova Finance, we have D3, we have Izumi Finance, we have Ice Cream Swap, we have Smart Money, we have Avalon Finance, and so many other like that. But the one I will ask tell you to engage most is what, BitFlux. Though everything is that is here is quite okay to engage, but let me just tell you the one you have to stay engaged much more is Colend, Glyph, BitFlux, even Chorus itself. But the one I would love you to engage most is what, BitFlux and what, Aka. Yeah, this is Aka Finance and BitFlux. So engage most of these two. So in my next video, and before I wrap up, while you engage, you can be able to check your leaderboard, also what, your activity spark. I hope I'm clear with that. You can able to check your activity spark and also what, your leaderboard, for you to know how far you've gone, what you've been achieving so far, so you know your standard. So in my next video I am going to release videos concerning the BitFlux, how you can earn your spark, how you can earn about 100,000, more than 100,000 spark daily. Also I'm going to release a video concerning Aka Finance and also BitFlux, so we understand, and also Colend. So also I will relate the issue of BitFlux with Colend because it matters a lot, because what you do in Colend, from what you supply to Colend on the protocol, you can be able to, when you borrow it, you can be able to use it on any DeFi or any DApps on core, or let me say from the coin deletion drop. So that is that. So let me not waste much of our time. Let me clear out this video. So next video I'm going to be coming up for sure is BitFlux and also Aka Finance. So thank you guys, and stay tuned to my next video that is going to be released soon.